Okay.
Loss buys X silver balloons and Y gold balloons for a party. He buys more gold balloons than silver balloons. So more gold balloons means more Y than X.
Yes. So X.
At least 15 silver balloons. So it means X is greater than or equal to 15,
15.
less than 50 gold balloons,
So Y is less than 50.
a total of no more than 70 balloons. Total.
Yes.
So total means X and Y. Should I use X plus Y?
Yes.
Is no more than 70.
Yes. So X and Y
Inequality.
equal to or less than 70.
Yes. On the grid, show the information from part A by drawing 4 straight lines and shading the unwanted region. So the first is Y is greater than X. That will become Y is equal to X or X is equal to Y. So if I make a quick table, these are the points.
Yes.
Oh, these are big numbers actually. So let's plot. You can plot with me, and we have to see the inequality sign. It's second equation. X. Second equation is, this is the first. The second equation is X is equal to 15. How should I draw X is equal to 15?
X X on 15 to 0.
It should be a straight vertical line.
Uh
X is equal to 15 will be
yeah,
here.
so straight line from over here.
Look at this. Remember, when an equation says only X, it is parallel to y-axis. When an equation says only y, it's parallel to x-axis. It's opposite.
All right.
Look the third equation.
Okay.
Y is equal to 50. It should be a horizontal line.
From here, from 50.
Yes, it's always opposite.
Yes.
X plus Y is equal to 70. So Y is equal to 70 minus X.
Yes.
So make a table like this.
All right. Once. Okay.
Thirty and 40.
30. Uh,
The first one was Y is greater than X. So we have all the equations plotted.
okay.
So now you remember the rules which we discussed on that day.
Yes. That's
That how he says shade the unwanted.
here the unwanted regions. Okay.
So now you have all. He says that.
So we need to do the 1 point and 1 line rules.
So one by one, decide for every inequality.
Okay. Mm.
So what about this one? X is greater than or equal to 15. Right side is where is wanted? Right side or left side?
Wanted is right side.
But wanted is right side. So should I shade right side or left side?
We have to shade the unwanted, so left side.
Okay, very good. Always shade with light pencil. So if you need a correction, you can make.
Okay.
What is the second equality? Y is X, sorry, Y is greater than X. So should I take blue line? Should I wanted is above the line or below the line?
Wanted is below the line.
Good. Unwanted, sorry. Wanted
Yes.
is above the line.
Yes.
Greater is above.
Okay.
So I have shaded unwanted.
All right.
Okay, third, now take another one. Let's take y is less than 50. So wanted is below this line or above this line?
Uh, uh,
Wanted.
unwanted. Wanted is below and unwanted is above.
I will shade above, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Who is left now? The red line
Yes.
less than or equal to. So wanted is below.
Yes.
So where should I shade? The red line above the red line or below the red line?
Below. Above.
Okay, I've shaded.
Okay.
This is called linear programming. Very simple topic, but shading should be with nice light hand.
Yes.
Silver balloons cost 2 and gold balloons cost 3. So what will be the equation if I use these terms? Silver was X and gold was Y. So I have 2X plus 3Y. Look at this little equation.
Yes.
Look at this island of shading. Look at this island of shading and now I need help. You have to,
So we have to calculate the most different.
how we solve this most type question? Simply locate all the vertices. I'm marking it, huh? Let's say it is A, mark with me, B,
Okay.
C, all the vertices D. This is the 4 coordinates of the unshaded region.
Okay. Yes.
So now start putting them one by one. First point is 15 comma 16. And the second point will be
I think it's 15 by 15.
15 by 15.
Yes.
Okay, I'm getting 15 by 16, but whatever you have, you can check it.
Okay.
The second is, what would be the B?
B is for me 35 by 35.
This is 35. What is on x-axis? 35 also.
Yes.
Now get this next point for me.
Okay. C is 20 by 50.
Okay, can you tell me again?
20 by 50.
Hmm.
And then D is 15 by 50.
15 by. So now quickly put them.
So the first answer is 78. And then the second one is 175.
175.
Yes. And then the third one is 190. And then 180. Yes.
So where you are getting the maximum?
190 at
Yes.
C.
This is called linear programming. Did you check? Did you check the multiple topics of this book? What they are meaning by multiple topics?
They're like every topic, but like one or two different questions.
So they are mixed questions.
Yeah.
Okay, now see unit 2.6.
Okay. So the first question is March 19 P42.
March 19.
Yeah, P42.
Question number.
Question number 11. Okay.
Read the question.
Yes.
The table shows the first 5 terms of sequence A. These are like puzzle questions and they are pattern. There is no particular formula. There is only one formula sometimes people use. Even that is not an official formula. This is called thinking questions, thinking skill questions. He says complete the table for the 6th term of each sequence. 7, 13. How I got 7 to 13?
By 6.
Addition of 6. But then what about 13 to 23?
13 to 23, and then a day of 10.
So pattern is not coming now. You have to think about something else. First about, just like for example, B. Can you see 1, 3, 9, 27? Are these all cube numbers?
Yes.
Let me write for you. 1 cube. No. After 1, we are getting 3.
3 by 3, 9. Then 9 by 9, 27.
This is a pattern coming in B.
Yeah, and then 81 by 3, 243. Right? Yes.
That is resolved. But what about A? Similar thinking needed here.
So I think it could be. It could be multiply 2, then minus 1.
No, not yet.
Hmm.
Again, if we get a pattern,
Yeah, check. So we're adding by 4. So like the difference between 13 and 7 was 6, and then 23 and 13 was 10, and then 37 and 23 is 14, and then 55 and 37 is 18. So next one will be 55 plus 22.
okay, you're getting this pattern.
Yes, so 77.
But it is not a constant entry. This is a changing entry.
Yes.
Okay. Then he says, find the nth term of the sequence. What's the meaning of nth term? Nth term means,
A
please go ahead.
certain
It is like a formula. Nth term is like a formula. Nth term is like a formula which can make the whole of the sequence. Like, for example, he has given this.
Yes.
This is called nth term. Nth term means you have to make a formula which can make all these terms by putting, if you notice here, this is term. So I write n here, this is n. n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2.
Yes. So for sequence A, it could be
So you have to make a pattern formula which can represent all of them.
yes. Um, mm,
You can think for anything like squaring, adding. So just like 7 into 1 plus 2, like this, 7 into something. So any pattern can be made.
maybe cube n cube plus 6.
No, plus 6 won't work because then 6 is not being added every time.
Yes. So
Just like the pattern we made, na, every time in sequence B, every time we are multiplying by 3. So 1 into 3, if we see the sequence here, we are multiplying by 3.
what if we make it a square and then add a 2? So 2n square plus 5.
If you make this formula, you can check by putting n. What you get if you put n.
Okay, one second. Yeah, I'm getting 7.
For the first,
Yeah, and the second, I'm getting 13.
13.
Yeah,
So try one more.
okay. For the fifth, I'm getting, yes, 55.
So this will be the nth term.
Yeah. Oh,
Now, similarly, you have to make a sequence formula for B.
okay, so
We can make any formula which can generate all of them. We are actually we are multiplying every number by 3 to get the next number.
yes, so the first number could be 3.
Any idea about this one? Because every number is being multiplied by 3.
Okay, I tried it and yeah, I got the correct one. I think it's 3 and then n minus 1.
3n minus 1. 3n minus
Yeah.
1, so put 1.
Yeah.
3n minus 1 is not working. If we put 1,
Yeah, it is. I tried it.
but you're close, 3 into 1.
And then 3 uh to the power of 2 minus 1 is 3.
The
And then
first,
3 minus, even on the fifth term, I got 81.
But all terms should come now by putting 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, I'm getting 4 too.
You are getting the terms.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. The nth term of another sequence is this. Find the second term. It's simple that you have to put n is equal to 2 in the formula.
Yeah.
So you can solve it.
So 21.
The value of n when the nth term is 498.
So, okay, we have to change the two.
Right. You remember now that you have to use this formula once with plus and once with minus.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Minus. Minus 4, 9. Okay, so the plus answer is 11. And the minus answer is minus 11.25.
Now, same topic, look for the next question.
Okay. October, November 18, P43.
Sorry, November 18.
Yes.
Paper
Paper 43.
42.
No, 43.
Yes, question number.
Question number 10.
Find the next term and the nth term of this sequence. In the above line, you are adding 1, 1, 1. In the lower line, You are adding 2 to 2. Is it right?
Yes.
So the next will be
8 over 15.
are you adding one number in every term?
One number in every term. Yes.
So when one number is being added, we call it D. And we have a formula for this type of sequence. You can learn this formula.
Okay.
Copy this formula in your notes.
All right.
This is the formula for the numerator. This formula can be applied only when one number is being added or subtracted.
Okay. So we have to write 2 plus n over 3 plus 2n.
Right. Find the nth term of each sequence. Now, first example, are you subtracting one number?
Yes. No, 2 numbers.
Hmm. Look at this working.
Okay. So 3. Oh, so
We can't use a formula in part 2 because one number is not being added. So we have to now here again think 2, then 9, then 28, 65.
Uh,
Numbers are jumping up. How 2 has become 9? It's a
mm,
difficult, it's a bit difficult. You have to, but
maybe the numbers are okay. No.
the difference is 7. The difference is 13. Very strange sequence.
Yeah.
Very strange. No, I'm sorry. Yes. So made amazing number. 2, 9, 28.
Yes. Mm.
Can you look for the next question?
Okay. May June 18 P41.
May, June 18.
P41.
Question number?
41. Question number 12. Yes.
Marco is making patterns with gray and white circular mesh. Pattern number, this is the pattern number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this has to become n later. So this is the n line. Number of
Yes.
gray mats, 6, 9, 12. So are you adding 3?
Yeah. Okay. And then we are adding 4, 5, 6, and then 7. 21 plus 7, so 28.
But this is a changing pattern. Answer is right, but always look for a stagnant patterns. Stagnant means one thing is repeating. Find an expansion number for the number of gray mats in pattern n. So one number is being added. So we can use the formula A is equal to 6, B is equal to 3, and the formula is, this is the formula.
Okay.
Total number of mats in this pattern makes a pattern with 24 gray mats.
Oh, so 7.
Yes. Marco needs a total of 6 mats to make the first pattern. He needs a total of 16 mats to make the first 2 patterns. He needs the total of this mats to make the first n patterns. Find the value of A and the value of B. So total of 6 mats. Total of 6 mats. So I put n. This is the total number of mats. This is the formula for total number of mats is equal to 1 upon 6 n cube plus a n square plus bn. So if I take n is equal to 1, okay. When I take n is equal to 1, what is the total number of mats?
If n is equal to 1, 6.
6. Total number of mats is 6. So I can put here 6. And what can I put in place of n?
Place of n.
N is 1.
Yes.
Now we can either take LCM or we can take 1 upon 6 on the other side. N is equal to 2. What is the total number of mats?
10.
So we can rewrite the equation with 10. 10 is equal to 1 upon 6.
Yes.
How much is 10 minus 8 upon 6?
10. That minus 8. It is 8.667.
You can keep it in this number. So now you have 2 equations. You remember how to solve them simultaneously?
Yeah, I think so. Yes.
Or take out value from one equation and put it in the other.
Yeah.
So these are 2 equations. You can also do one thing, that multiply the first equation by 4 and A would be same, and then you cancel them. So there are two methods. One is called elimination method and second is called substitution method.
Yes.
To solve it, you can
Yes.
I can multiply any number here and I can cancel it. Suppose I multiply this equation by 2. Now these are the two equations.
Yes.
Now look at this working.
So minus 2a equal 3. Oh, sorry, a equal 3.
Isn't it coming minus 3?
No, it's coming 3 only.
Okay, minus 2a is equal to 3.
Yeah.
So a will be equal to, how you find b now? We got a.
Okay, so now t.
We can put it
You
back
have
in.
to substitute another equation.
You can substitute in equation 1 or equation 2 to find b.
Yes.
So find b.
Okay. Okay. B is 13 over 3, I think.
13 over 3.
3. Yes.
Okay, so we keep it up to here, and you should try to do, if you work